Service Week is an international celebration of the importance of customer service and of the people who serve and support customers daily. Not true?
Every role, whether you are in leadership or on the front lines, plays a crucial part, don't you think? It plays a crucial part in achieving our mission as a ministry and actually in transitioning into what we call the Center of Excellence.
Anyone can just come up and just share what customer service means to you.
Service means meeting all expectations. It means going above and beyond to ensure that our targets are met.
And not just for internal customers, but external customers, because those that we work with, they are actually persons that we should extend these attributes to, all right?
It has to come from a place where when we say we are meeting and exceeding our customers' expectation, when they hold us to that, we can actually stand up to say, yes, we did go above and beyond.
It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter if you're a director, a records officer, you should all do your job well.
We've come a long way, standing in a strong way. You know why? We never give up on God, cause Him not give up on we. Out of many, we are one nation, one family. We activate rising faith and joyfully celebrate one Jamaica.
I know there are individuals who give very solid customer service delivery. And the truth be told, it is not being bigged up enough.
I want to congratulate all of today's awardees. You are torchbearers of excellence in your public service. But let's not stop here. Let's take it to the next level. Let's start a fire.
I rise. See, I'm hurting but not broken. Down but I won't die. I rise. Soon I will reach the sky and still I rise.
Without further ado, the winner of the Service Excellence Award is, drumroll please, Andrew Taylor. The winner of the Service Excellence Leader Award is, drumroll please, Jordan Earl. Samoy Dixon, Andre Green, Crystal Powell, Nicola Westgarth Brown, Richard Dawes, Devon Goodrich, Nicole Henry, Camille Brown, Sarika Rose, Jodianne Myers, Lisa Bent Dover, Raquel Gonzel, Maureen Edwards, Delia Watkis Morgan, Janelle Henry, Ryan Richardson, Norma McIntosh, Natasha Thomas, Jodianne Brown, Tamika Mallet, Camille Rohn. The winner of the Financial Secretaries Award is the Strategic Human Resource Management Division. Please join me in congratulating the division for the Minister's Award. The Public Expenditure and Policy Coordination Division. Today, we honor your commitment to service excellence, which has a real and lasting impact on the lives of those who rely on the services we provide. Thank you for your hard work and your dedication.